Ponda market band, vendors demand immediate release of fellow vendor Gharu Sawant. Market vendors protest outside Ponda police station. Eleven teachers to be felicitated from next year. Government to felicitate technical higher education teachers. CM announces District Institute for Teachers. Despite low prices of iron ore in international market, Mines Department said to e-auction more than 11 lakhs of iron ore today. Its 8th e-auction. Surely teachers' anticipatory bail plea in alleged rape case hearing today before Children's Court. Society divided over alleged rape. Authorities intervened to unearth the truth. Goa police comes out of slumber after prudence expose of terrorists taking paragliding training in Goa. ATS begins probe into trainers' activities. And let elected MLAs decide. CM, no need of dropping ministers. BJP-MGP alliance should continue. BJP not in position to break alliance, says Deputy CM. Ponda market is closed today. The vendors in the market have demanded immediate release of one of their fellow vendors, Gharu Sawant, who was arrested yesterday following tussle between two groups of vendors. Ponda police had arrested Gharu Sawant following complaint from the vendors selling their vegetables on the footpath. The situation is tense as supporters of Gharu have gathered at Ponda police station demanding his release.
सगळे बायलोत गेल्ल्यो दादले कोण नाशिल्ले हे दादले नाशिल्ल्यांची सुद्दां नांव घालून तेंच्यांनी कंप्लेन केल्या एक सुद्दां दादलो नाशिल्लो फुड्याना कोण ना बायलां तेंच्यांनी गाळी मारले आनी एरिया फातर घेवन पयलू बायलांक मारले तेंच्यांनी आतां तेंकां जर अरेस्ट करीत सगळे लोक आमी अरेस्ट जावपाक तयार आसा आमी 10 कंप्लेंट केल्यार हेणी एक आमचो कंप्लेंट मुखार घेयना आनी तर एक कंप्लेंट केल्यार हेणी मुखार घेतात हे कशें जाता सांगा पळय आमी इतले 700 लोक आसात
घारू सावंताक अरेस्ट केला आमी हातून जो तांच्यांनी FIR नाव दिला घारू सावंत आनी आनीकूय नांवां दिल्या जे तांकां ते आमी वळखता म्हणटा ते एका नांवान आनी 40-50 जाण आयले म्हणटा ते तोंडान पळयल्या वळखता म्हणटा सगळे पालिका बाजारांतले हय आतां FIR जेन्ना रजिस्टर जाल्लो आसा.
Government plans to set up a district institute of teachers in South Goa. CM Parsekar informed this during the felicitation program of teachers at Kala Academy today. Education department will henceforth felicitate 11 teachers on the occasion. Currently 8 teachers were felicitated and remaining 3 teachers from Technical and Higher Education Institute will be felicitated on 19th of December.
Dakshin Goa DIET करपाची आमची district institute of टीचर्स करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. SCRT ची बरी बिल्डिंग तयार जाल्या. शैक्षणिक क्षेत्रात वावरणाऱ्या संस्थांक योग्य अनुदान मेळचे. इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इम्प्रूव्ह करपा खातीर तांकां पाठबळ मेळचे. नोकर भरती किंवा शिक्षक भरती करता आसतना NOCची NOC खातीर वेळ काडचो न्हय म्हणून ब्लँकेट NOC दिवपाची आमच्या सरकारच्यो योजना. त्यान फुडें हायर एड्युकेशन आणि टेक्निकल एड्युकेशन अशा दोन्ही क्षेत्रांतले दर वर्षा 3 अध्यापकांची निवड जातली. आठ आणि 3 मिळून 18 अध्यापकांची निवड जातली आणि दर शिक्षक दिसा हाच्या नंतर 8 अधिक 3 11 शिक्षकांचो गौरव जातलो.
Even after low prices of iron ore in the international market, Mines Department is set to e-auction more than 11 lakhs of iron ore. This will be the 8th e-auction by Mines Department. Ore at different jetties and leases will be auctioned today. Department has got very poor response from the trader community to e-auctions held so far. Most of the auction ore is still lying at various jetties and lease areas as the traders are awaiting improvements in the international market. Mines Department is set to auction over 11 lakhs of iron ore today. Ore lying at Kodli, Kudne, Bidcholi, Surla, Sakhri, Shirgaon, Sonas and Digne mines will be auctioned. This is the biggest auction held so far. Ore at Shirsai, Sarmanas and Vagus jetties will be auctioned today. Kodli has maximum of 6,55,000 tons ore to be auctioned. This will be the 8th e-auction by Mines Department. Last e-auction got a very poor response. Till date, more than 6.3 million tons of ore has been auctioned out, of which only 2.3 million has been moved. Remaining stocks are still lying at various jetties and lease area. Bureau Report, Prudent. The 59-year-old Shirley teacher's anticipatory bail plea in alleged rape case will be heard before Children's Court today. With local society divided over the alleged rape of a Shirley school student involving a senior teacher, the authorities concerned have intervened to unearth the truth. Education Department has asked the institution to submit a detailed report on the entire episode latest by Friday. Even after a week's time, the Shirley rape case could not come to its logical conclusion. The local society is divided over the alleged rape of a Shirley school student involving a senior teacher. One group, including some ex-students, support teachers, calling it a conspiracy to defame the institution, whereas the locals from victims' village want immediate arrest of the teacher. The authorities concerned have intervened to unearth the truth. Education Department has asked the institution to submit a detailed report on the entire episode latest by Friday. The Goa State Commission for Protection of Child Rights too has asked Anjuna Police to submit details of the investigation on urgent basis. Meanwhile, the Shirley teacher's anticipatory bail plea in alleged rape case will be heard before Children's Court today afternoon. There are pulls and pressure from both the community groups leading delay in a concrete stern action from the authorities. Large number of supporters are expected to witness the court proceedings. Bureau Report, Prudent. We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.